Congratulations, Vinny!
Okay. But, you know, mapupusok tayong lahat sa napakagandang tugtugan. 5 awards. Na darating pa sa atin from this point on until we get done with our... Ang galing niya ka.
Pagkaharap mo yung mga idols mo. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Favorite song of the year. Alam nyo, nung nirelease po namin Pantropiko, nababasa ako sa comments. Ang mga comments kasi parang, hala, may katunog daw. Tapos ko, ano yung katunog? Tunog Shoti daw. Tapos ako sabi ko, hala, baka kagaya ba talaga yung Pantropiko ng Shoti na yun? Kasi akala ko, song title siya. Yun pala, Song of the Year. Pero syempre, Gloops yung nagsabi, no, supporter namin. So, sasabihin na talaga nila Song of the Year. Pero yun nga, winning this award is truly a dream come true for us po. Maraming salamat again to our Gloops, Star Music, Sir Roxy Liquigan, Sir Rox Santos, Sir Jonathan Manalo. Thank you so much. UBLs again, maraming salamat po sa mga gandang music videos. And, Awit Awards, maraming salamat kasi hindi po namin na-expect na dadating yung Pantropiko sa ganito dahil itong Pantropiko, for us, it was a love letter for our culture and dreams. And sobrang grateful lang kami na nag-resonate siya sa maraming tao. Maraming salamat po. Thank you!
By the way, there's more.
Stage we are in right now, if it wasn't for them. And of course, Star Music. And to Ms. Aika Villanueva, our visual director, and of course our management, ABS-CBN Corporation. Thank you so much, and we hope that magustuhan niyo yung bagong music video namin next year. And thank you to the Blooms for voting for us.
Hi, we are Vinny.
Good evening po. Good evening po. Thank you so much, Awit Awards, for this incredible Breakthrough Award. Ito pong year na to ay filled with love, blessings, and unwavering support. And sobrang grateful po namin sa lahat ng bagay. And let's all continue po to break barriers and showcase Filipino music to the world. Mabuhay ang OPM!
Awit Awards, it really warms our heart receiving this. And to everyone who voted, to our Blooms, sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin, maraming salamat po. Sa Star Music, yes, thank you so much. And nandiyan po sila. Grabe, nakakababala talaga dito. Sobrang grateful po kami for this award. Let's continue to support and inspire each and every one. Thank you.